Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Modern 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your MSI Modern 14 won't charge at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty battery or a damaged charging port. If left unresolved, this can lead to further complications, rendering your laptop unusable. Thankfully, we're here to guide you through the repair process. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the MSI Modern 14. To begin, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Keep them safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, take the plastic prying tool and gently work your way around the edges of the back panel to release the clips. Be cautious not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the case. After successfully removing the back panel, you'll see the battery located at the center. The next step is to disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Gently lift the connector with your fingers, ensuring not to pull on the wires directly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the battery itself. These are typically smaller than the ones for the back panel, so keep that in mind. Once these screws are removed, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Take your new replacement battery and align it within the compartment. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's snug and secure. Now it's time to replace the back panel. Align it carefully, ensuring no wires are trapped, and press down gently until you hear the clips click back into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back panel. Once everything is back together, plug in your charger and power on your laptop. Check if the charging indicator lights up, confirming that the repair has been successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your battery health and avoid leaving your laptop plugged in continuously. It's also advisable to use the original charger that came with the device to avoid compatibility issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.